Hey mate, my name is Kevin, and you are watching F12 Tech. In this video, I will show you how to display my PC icon on desktop in Windows 10. As you can see, there is no recycle bin icon, neither my PC icon on my desktop for now, but we will bring them on. To do this, you have to right-click on mouse, and then select Personalize. Now, you have to select Themes from Home menu here. And then click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now, you have to select the items that you want to display on the desktop. In my case, I will select Computer and Recycle Bin. After that, all you have to do is to click on Apply. And then OK. So, congratulations. We have this PC icon on our desktop. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our video. Have a good day.